Hey everyone, today we're gonna be checking out the TravelPack Vacuum Bag Plus from Ekster. We've checked out so many products from Ekster and they never disappoint. We've also checked out the previous model of this vacuum bag. This one has been upgraded. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out and see how it does packing for an upcoming trip. So included is the TravelPack Vacuum Bag Plus. You have a bag and you get a pump with it. There's a lot of different variations, so go ahead and suit your needs. If you need one bag, two bags, whatever you need, you can go ahead and grab it from Ekster. There's going to be a link down below and a discount code. So if you're looking to pick up anything, even a new wallet for a trip or everyday use, check out Ekster and that link below to save yourself some money and of course to have the best gear for traveling. Here's a peek at that bag. So the old bag had a zipper down the middle. This one has a side zipper. I think it's gonna be easier to get our clothing in there. And they do say that this can hold 10 plus days of clothing. Also included is your air pump. So of course, this is USB-C rechargeable. They do provide you a charging cable as well. And then you just go ahead and press the bottom and it's gonna suck that air, vacuum it right on out of that bag. There's your little receptacle here to go ahead and suck that air out. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual bag before we stuff it with clothes. So you see all these nice burgundy straps on the ends, that's so that you can go ahead and unzip it. This zipper is super duper tight because this bag is like waterproof, like it's pretty neat. And then of course it's airproof. So to close it, you wanna make sure that you get it all the way to the edge. So let's stuff it full of clothes. Then we have our little valve there. Ekster does claim that you can fit 10 plus days of clothes in here. However, I'm only gonna be gone for 5 days, so I actually don't have that many things to bring with me. I have, it looks like, a cardigan, 3 t-shirts, a blouse, and a dress. And then I have 6 pairs of pants. Well, really a pair of pants and let's see, 4 pairs of shorts for our vacation. So let's go ahead and pack it and see how much air and how much space we can save to bring back all of those souvenirs. All right, with the zipper on the side, it should be a little bit easier to go ahead and load things in here. So I'm just gonna slide things in and then kind of tuck them over to the side. That way we can get our pants and shorts in here as well. There's probably a nicer way to go ahead and pack. Sometimes people roll their clothes. I even have some room on the edge here left. Now that we have all of our clothing in here, so I have 5 days of underwear, socks, clothing, we're gonna go ahead and zip it. So just hold on tight here and pull till you get to the very end. You're gonna wanna make sure that you get that nice and tight. That way you can suck all the air out of here. We're gonna open this valve. Before I go ahead and suck the air out of it, I went ahead and tossed it into my Ekster Grid duffel bag. You can utilize this in any existing bag that you have or grab some great gear from Ekster. We love our Grid duffel bag because we can both pack in it and it's big enough for an extended weekend. For this time, we're gonna be gone about 5 days and we should have enough room in here for 2 people. So let's go ahead and suck the air out of it while it's already in here. It kind of like forms to the environment that way. And look, on that end, I'll still have room. Once it's done, just go ahead and press that button again, remove your vacuum, and then seal up that valve. So as you can see, now that the air is all vacuumed out of here, I have plenty of room on the end to throw some hats, some other gear, even a pair of shoes, something down there. And I even have room here. I still have about 2 inches of room on the side here for souvenirs or anything else that I didn't want to go ahead and vacuum pack. Things I remember last minute, more than likely. But I have enough room in the Ekster Grid duffel for myself and for my husband's stuff on the other side. Again, I'm packing for 5 days right now, and I have plenty of room in here. I certainly think that you could probably fit more clothes in each of these bags. I don't know about 10 days, depending on where you're going. Cold climate, definitely not. Warm climate, you might actually have enough room in there. I'll go ahead and take this out and vacuum it outside of the bag so you can kind of see how it compresses as well. Now that you've seen how small this bag can get down to, once we open this up, you'll hear the air escape. As you can see, you can take a pile of clothes like this for multiple days and go ahead and vacuum pack it in a bag like this to go ahead and make sure that you're packing efficiently. You can pack everything you need for a long trip in a single backpack. If you all would like some more information on the TravelPack Vacuum Bag Plus, check that link down below for that discount code to save you some money, or any other extra gear. I highly recommend it. They are great things for traveling and everyday use with those wallets. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye!